Hey, what's happening everybody? It's Jason with Dad's That Cook. What are we making today? A tamale pie. Why? Because it's so damn good. That's why we're gonna make it. And because I had some leftover chicken. That's what we're gonna do. So I've got my ingredients out. I'm ready to roll. Super simple, super easy, extremely tasty. So I've got 1 box cornbread mix. We've got a 1/2 cup of sour cream. We got a whole egg. We've got a 1/2 cup of corn kernels fresh out of the can. We've got 2 tablespoons of butter that's been melted, a tablespoon of olive oil. We've got 2 garlic cloves, a whole onion chopped up, ready to go. And I made a little mix here myself, the chili powder and onion powder and salt. We've got 2 cups of jack and cheddar cheese. And we also have our roasted chicken that we had from before. I'm only gonna need 2 cups of this and enchilada sauce. Got a bowl. You get a big old bowl and you make it happen. You put in your box of cornbread mix. We're gonna throw in our sour cream. We're gonna throw in our corn kernels. Take our egg, we're gonna crack that baby. We're gonna open that up and just shove that in there. 2 tablespoons of butter, right? We gotta put that in there. Now, all we gotta do is mix it. So you see how it's getting right now? It's kind of turning into like a paste, sort of, right? Let's get our skillet. Here's my skillet, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to lube it up a little bit with a little avocado oil. I like avocado oil, handles high heat really well. So I'm just going to lube this up just a little, lump that in there. Okay, so let's put this in the oven, 400 degrees, 15 minutes, okay? All right, great, that's in there. In the meantime, we're gonna get a pan going. We're gonna throw our olive oil in. We're gonna get the olive oil in there, then we're gonna throw our onion in there, okay? We're gonna let that work its magic. This is gonna take about 5 minutes or so. We're gonna add our 1/2 cup of our enchilada sauce in. Now, I've just basically had a roasted chicken that I had the night before, and I'm just gonna do a rough chop on it. Make sure you don't have any bones. See? Pulled a bone out of that bad boy. That would have been tasty, huh? Here you go, honey. Oh. So I'm gonna break it down a little bit. Get some of these harder pieces, you know, from baking. Throw that in the garbage. Don't use it, because it's just gonna be some hard little chunk that you're gonna get. Ooh. Get our chicken. Throw that in there. The chicken in there. Let's add our spice. Oh yeah. The chicken mixture is pretty much done. I'm just gonna let it sit and it's gonna relax here on a very low heat. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that bad boy. Now that it's out, it's all nice and happy, we're gonna poke some holes. We're gonna do holes all over the place. Do a hole, holes, holes. Now, we take our sauce, we pour some of the sauce all over. We take our mixture, our chicken, right? We mixed that all up earlier, and we just put that right on top. Spread that around, get the chicken. Okay, so that's all in there. That looks good. Now all we gotta do is put the cheese on, right? So let's put the cheese everywhere, a couple cups of cheese. Now we gotta put it back in the oven for 20 more minutes. Okay, so it's out of the oven. The tamale pie's done. I've let it rest, I've let it sit for a little bit, and we're just gonna add a little bit of sour cream. If you want more, get more, do whatever you want. And then just a little bit of fresh cilantro is always nice. You just sprinkle a little on there. All right, so it's all pretty now, right? It looks good, it looks all pretty. Let's cut into it and let's try it out, all right? Let's do that. Let's get a little slice going here, right? Just a little slice. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, that's good. I love the enchilada sauce in it because it gives it that little kick. The chili powder you can taste, really tasty. I love the cheddar and the jack in there. And my kid is going to absolutely love this, and so is my wife. I'm pretty sure she's gonna like it. So anyway, that's it. That's all we got. Tamale pie, people. So make sure you make the recipe. It's super easy, super simple, and you'll love it, and so will your family. So we'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook. Hey, thanks for watching. You wanna see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You wanna win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You wanna get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.